This solar panel right here has saved me over $1,500 in caravan park fees this year. It's allowed me to camp at more free camps far away from the crowds. Now, let me show you why. We all know good quality solar panels will help us free camp for longer. A smaller panel will get you a day or two longer at camp. For what I usually run when I free camp, this portable panel from Adventure Kings will keep my batteries full indefinitely. What that means is over the last year, I reckon I've free camped for over 50 extra days. Now that saved me $30 a night, meaning I've now got $1,500 to spend any way I want. Even if your van has hard-mounted solar, a portable panel means you can park in the shade and still get charge going into your batteries. The Adventure Kings is easy to set up with his well-designed legs. Comes with all the gear you need plus a bag. You won't find a better quality portable solar panel for less.